this is a video scope, and it is used to check those unseen parts of engine, fuel tank and braking system. And this is optional. Tour 601 equipped with a video scope model, so you can use it to check the car. You only need to connect the USB to Tour 601 and chop the video scope into the function. You can see when using the video scope, this button allows you to take pictures, and long press these buttons, you can switch the cameras. You can see when the camera can see well, this dial allows you to adjust the light brightness. As you can see. So this is how to use the video scope on Tour 601 TT. Thank you.